Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Dollar pair gained 6.9% in the last session, after rising as much as 11.8% during the session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla will aim to ship its Roadster electric sports car next year, the electric vehicle maker's CEO Elon Musk said. Tesla had announced the Roadster at the end of 2017, which was originally set to be launched in 2020. The US economy grew at a robust 3.2% annual pace from October through December, propelled by healthy consumer spending, the Commerce Department reported in a slight downgrade from its initial estimate. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has traded nearly $3 billion Wednesday, twice as much as its previous volume record, with other new Bitcoin ETFs also attracting heavy trading.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 08:55 GMT, the US personal spending at 13:30 GMT, the US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts will be released at 0500 hours GMT, Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT, the French Consumer Price Index at 0745 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.